In Rita Joe's poem, I Lost My Talk, the speaker Rita Joe describes how she is forced to change her identity at a residential school, when at the same time hopes to educate about her identity with her own voice. At the beginning of the text, her assimilated identity is made obvious when the speaker expresses how her talk was taken away, which reflects to how she could no longer express herself anymore. In turn, the speaker describes her own identity was snatched away, which connects to how she speaks, thinks, and creates, to how she acts and is as a person. Rita Joe is forced to be a specific way, leaving behind her own expressions, by being told to act how society wants to see her. This causes the speaker to believe her world is scrambled, that it is not proper. She is taught that her way is not more powerful. She is forced to speak in a language that is not her own, which made her feel unnatural. At the end of the poem, she gently wishes to seek an equal level of respect where she can discover her own identity, her own talk. Rita Joe wants to discover herself as an individual without the morals of another group being forced upon her. With the discovery of her own voice, she wants to teach others about herself and her culture, and hopes to finally having her turn as someone with a voice and identity. We see a young girl being taught that how she has grown up is wrong, and how she is now learning how to act is the way society acts. This allows us to view and compare the struggles in preserving self-identity. For the speakers showed an active openness towards the residential educators through asking for their hand. It shows how she saw them as people, rather than of anything less. Rita Joe displays hope for finding her talk again by seeking mutual respect. Thus, no matter how hard someone tries to change who an individual is, their personal identity will never change their beliefs within, unless that individual wishes to change it themselves.